guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making peach custard dessert. Peach is my favorite fruit on the planet. And Japanese peaches are known for its juiciness and the sweetness and the floral aroma with a slight tartness in it, and that makes them so special. And it's best eat as is, but today I will make it to the next level dessert. And I cook the custard in the microwave to avoid sweating in the kitchen. Let's get started. First, we are going to make microwave custard cream. It's easy to make, but follow the step exactly as I show you. If you skip any of that, your cream ends up with lumps and not smooth. Whisk egg yolk and sugar until it looks pale in color. Add cornstarch and mix well until just combine. Add in vanilla and add whole milk a little at a time. And cook in microwave for 30 seconds at 600 watt. If your microwave has higher watt like 800 watt, reduce the time to 20 seconds. And take it out and whisk well. After 2 more repetitions, the cream starts curdling, so whisk it quickly before set. Because the cream has remaining heat from the cooking, so whisk well until smooth. Repeat this process several more times. In my case, I did it 5 times more and I have this smooth cream. Cover with plastic and let it chill in an ice bath. Put your plastic wrap directly on top of the cream to prevent drying out and let it sit until cool. Now let's prepare the glaze. We can also cook it in the microwave so easily. Whisk gelatin, sugar and water and red food coloring if you want. Cook in microwave for 30 seconds. Whisk to dissolve sugar. This glaze should be used as fluid but slightly thickened by cooling. Let it sit at room temperature while the peach is ready. Now let's prepare the peach. Do you have any idea how to prepare this peach? It's actually quite a simple step to keep this shape and this seed from the core. Wash the peach gently and wipe off with the paper towel. Hold it stem side up and set it in cushioning material. If you have one, use your petty knife and stick into the peach and cut all the way around the seeds. And then use your kitchen scissors and cut out the seeds. Take your time to take out the seeds. And be careful not to crush the peach. In this way, your peach de-seeded or de-stoned. It's that easy. Now let's peel the skin. Submerge the de-seeded peach into the boiling water and cook for about 1 minute. When you touch the surface and you feel the skin move, take it out with a skimmer and drop in the ice bath. Chill thoroughly and peel it off. It's that easy like tomatoes, but it depends on whether the peach is easy to peel or not. Just before ripe is good timing. Pat dry and squeeze lemon juice to prevent browning. This is optional, but if you have a sponge cake or any leftover cake, cut it out into a 6 to 7 cm in diameter, the round shape. This is going to be a base for the peach. Transfer your chilled custard cream into a piping bag and squeeze it into a cavity where the seeds were there. Put on the sponge cake and place it on a serving dish. Apply glaze entirely and that's it. There you have your whole peach custard dessert. juicy and refreshing peach and creamy custard goes unbelievably well together. This is heavenly, so good. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. For more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!